Hello, nandito na naman kami sa Fat Free Chicken. This time, we will try the wow, no, but this is for the group. No? Okay. Chicken. Okay. Tingnan nyo ang mga foods nila, oh. Okay. But, we are going to go for pag ito pala in-order mo, mayroon na sila lahat, oh.
Yeah, it's too much.
Yeah.
It's too much.
Now we are going to try the
Why are we sitting here? Why not we just take this table instead?
nice in the corner.
No.
For me, I ordered this. Healthy-healthyhan tayo ngayon, ha? Fish ko, no? Fish. Si Bunso, ito. Yan. Okay. Dito muna kami. Tara, kain tayo.